Good evening. Tonight's story is Supertato, Veggies assembled by Sue Hendra and Paul Linnett. It was night time in the supermarket. Everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Do, do, do. Someone was looking for trouble. Mwah ha ha ha! Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. Click! You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad, and the baddest of them all is the evil pea. Wakey, wakey, he calls. Uh-oh, who's he waking up? One evil pea is bad enough, but now there are bags of them. The supermarket is in meltdown! Run for it, panicked Pepper! Save me, stuttered Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time is running out. Was there someone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue! There he is. Oh no! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas! What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worst. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end of Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I could just call the... who's he going to call? Let's have a look. Super Veggies to the rescue! They used their ninja know-how, hi-ya! Kicking the peas into the honey. They used their massive muscles, kaboom! They used their fancy footwork, and they used a box with a door cut in it. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. Yay, he's rescued the lollies. And now for those freezers. Click, on they go. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Who ordered vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... Doom, doom, doom. What's he going to do? Nothing! You're going to do what? Said Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the Super Veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, says the tomato. And everybody laughed. So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, and hopefully they stay in their bags, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. The end. And I hope you dream of being a superhero tonight. Bye. Stay safe.